Blockchain, the future of election. In a democratic state you vote your government. To ensure that the election is democratic, the following principles should be fulfilled. Secret, free, equal, open to everyone and direct. To vote you do it in an analog way. You simply go to your poll station and tick the party of your interest on a piece of paper. After that, a group of election workers evaluates the ballots. Today we have a lot of corrupt elites in many countries. If they have the power to rule the election worker, they can compromise the elections. This prevents democratic elections. The blockchain can ensure that the votes can't be edited afterwards. Through decentralization, no institution or individual is able to manipulate the results. This is one of many features how blockchain can contribute to a better world. We serve elections.